Hello boys and girls, today I will make an unboxing video of a very popular board game. It's called Under Falling Skies. This is my first board game. I'm playing tabletops games like solitaire or domino, stuff like this, but this is my first board game. Why I choose it? Because as you can see here, it is made for one player, for solo playing, which I prefer. So there are many videos. It is very popular game. You can watch other videos how to play it, but this is my unboxing video. Let's see what is in the box. I'm very curious. The price in 2026 is 19 € and 89 cents. So I think it's a very good price. So let's see what is in the box. Very curious. It's a chess-made game. Okay, wait, stop. Starting components. Please don't dump out everything in this box. The game has been carefully packed with a 4-chapter campaign at the bottom. So I will not touch the 4-chapter campaign at the bottom. What is that actually? Here is a barcode with tutorial video. Oh, that is the rule box, the rule book. I will read the rules after the video. I've been watching many videos about this game, and I think I know how to play it, but of course I will read the rules. These are the dices, 2 blue dices. These are the robots, and this is the excavator. I don't know what is the material, but they look nice. Maybe they are wooden? Is that a wood? I'm not sure, but it looks like wood. Nice, I like it. I'll put it here. Yeah. The figures. Yeah. Those are the spaceships. The little drone-like ships coming from the motherships and attacking your city. This is the research. What is that? I don't know. Some kind of button, maybe research button. I don't know how to call it. This must be the energy button, and this move. That cube is moving. This is some kind of like your health points, something like that. I will make a video how I play that game. And those are little spaceships, the little drones. Focus. focus? Will it focus? No. They are nice. There is an orange one. I don't know. I've never seen a video with an orange spaceship, but maybe this is part of the campaign. That is what I think. Am I right? I don't know. We will see. Let's pack it back. So, what we have here? What is that? Maybe another board games code names app. Yeah. Kutnahora? Kuthanhora? I don't know, but Galaxy Tracker. Yes, I think these are another board games. Yeah. Lost Ruins of Arnak. Explore the Uncharted Island. Good, we will someday. 2 plastic bags? Why? I don't know, maybe to... Oh, that is the game. Yes, that is the playground where all the stuff happens. Interesting, yeah, very interesting. I like it. This is the playground where where those spaceships are moving. It is great. I like it. What is that? I think this is something connected with the campaigns. Am I right? I don't know. And these are the campaigns. I've never seen anything like it. Yeah, the Statue of Liberty, some kind of choppers, helicopters, planes. Yeah, very interesting. I will not show you that because it's a part of the campaign and I don't want to break the surprise for you. So this is my unboxing video. Thank you for staying to the end. If you stayed, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.